Laser9431 is going to do a box of Allen and Ginter. Box 5 of A&G. In the fresh case. Good luck. Nope, Scott, it did not. What's up, Matt? How you doing? Guys, there's just some personals of A&G right now. I have 2015-16 Contenders PYT and some Tribute PYT. Hold right to it. Garrett Cole, Pinstripe Relic. Pinstripe Relic. Strasburg. Drury. AJ Pollock with the border. AJ Pollock with the border. Severino, Miguel Cabrera, regular back, Murphy, Rodon, regular back, Price, Piscotti, Oliveira, Harbor, Rio de Janeiro, definitely not a short print. Jane Addams, Laureates of Peace, mini. Clemente, Piscotti, Correa. Rahm Emanuel, Chicago. Isn't he the corrupt one? What do the Bruins do now, Howie? Sano, or are you talking about Garrett Cole? Ripken. Gonzalez. Jackson. A&G back. Lance McCullers. Rhea. Reynolds. A&G back. Jackson. Marble Caves. And Eduardo Rodriguez. I think it's A and G back, and then there's the weird borders. You only get 2 per. Batista, Cotham. But I think Pierce would be the better one to ask on that. Papal Visit, 247. Or ComC, or not ComC, Cardboard Connection. Could probably tell you better than I could right now. Jake Lamb. Mount Everest. Stanton. Carrasco. And Chris Bryant. Chris Bryant, not numbered. 2-color jersey, pinstripe. Nice Chris Bryant. Glavin, Edwards, Johnson, Castro, Story, Montez, Perez, Rice, Metro Mover. Thanks, Scott. I appreciate you doing that. Or Pierce, thank you. Sorry. Thanks, Pierce. Carew, Reddick, Sandberg. Lemaire is the A and G back. Gravitational Waves, 244. And Carlos Santana, your 3rd jersey relic. Schilling. Jofer, that's the black border thing. Jofer at an 80. Schaefer. Shields, regular. Morgan, Sanchez, Griffey. Seager rookie, Aurora Borealis. Tate, Tom Tate from Anaheim, California. Mieta. Brown, Trevor Brown rookie. Koufax, Serval, and rough box with 3 relics. At least you got a Chris Bryant. And Andrew McCutchen for the Pirates. Thanks, Charles. Let me know if you want to do any more, man. So the no numbers this year are numbered? That's funny. No numbers are numbered. So, no auto, Howie. We've done a couple boxes with no autos. You're guaranteed 3 hits, so it's either autograph cards, relic cards, rip cards, printing plates, and book cards. It's a mixture of 3 of those. He just did box 5, Howie.